In this problem, we're asked to rewrite f of x in mixed number form, and so that means that we are going to divide the two polynomials. And since we're dividing by a linear term, I can use synthetic division. And so to use synthetic, if we're dividing by x minus 3, we will plug in positive 3. We'll plug in what that 0 would be if it is a 0. Okay, so we'll plug in 3. We're going to use the coefficients of our cubic, so we will have a 1, -5, 2, and 10. Leave a space and draw a bar. From here, bring down the 1. We're going to multiply it by the 3 and place it below the -5. Add to the -5, I will get -2. Repeat the process over again. We're going to multiply the -2 by 3, which will give us a -6. Add it to the +2, which will give us a -4. Again, we're going to multiply the -4 by the +3, which will give us a -12. Add it to the 10, and we end up getting a -2. So we end up getting a remainder here, which means that x minus 3 was not a perfect factor. And so to write this polynomial now in mixed number form, we're going to start with, over here is our remainder. And so we always place our remainder over what we were dividing by, which in this case is an x minus 3. Then as you work your way backwards, this is the constant term. This was the x term. And then the 1 would be representing the x squared term. This is considered mixed number form because we have a polynomial, but then over here we end up with a fraction since we had a remainder. So this is completely simplified.